In this video, I will show you how to remove a card from Apple Wallet on iPhone. So first just open up the Wallet app, and now down here you can see all of the cards I have. Now if I would like to remove one of these cards, I can just go and click on that card. For example, I'll take the yellow Revolut one, and then from here, for me it already says remove card. Usually it wouldn't say that. For example, with this one, it will most likely look like this. So in the top right, just click on the three dots, and from here click on card details. Now once you are in the card details, scroll down, and at the bottom you can see remove card. So go and click remove card, and then confirm by clicking on remove, and now it has been removed. And if it does say it like this, so this card cannot be used, then you can simply click remove card. So now you know how to remove a card from Apple Wallet on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.